You again. Every time I open a file, there you are adding classes where a single function would do.
Because I believe in structure, my friend. Code should reflect reality objects, behaviors, relationships. It's called design.
Design? You mean delay. By the time you finish defining your abstract base class, I've already solved the problem.
Solved, maybe. But can you maintain it? My classes communicate like a team. Yours are just shouting instructions across the room.
At least my code talks straight. No need for inheritance family trees and polymorphic drama.
Drama? That's called flexibility. With polymorphism, one interface can adapt to any situation. You call run, and whether it's a car, a drone, or a dog, they all know what to do.
Or they all pretend to know, until one crashes. You hide logic behind abstractions until no one knows what's real anymore.
That's encapsulation, not hiding, it's protection. You keep your data safe and your functions disciplined.
And I call that unnecessary secrecy. I like my variables public, open, and honest.
Open? That's chaos. Anyone could mess with your data. Encapsulation keeps your program stable. Classes own their state.
Until they start inheriting bad habits. You call it inheritance, I call it dependency therapy. You change one parent class, and suddenly 50 children break.
Because you don't understand hierarchy. Proper inheritance models reality. A car is a vehicle. It's logical.
Tell that to your square that can't inherit from rectangle without breaking geometry. Real-world logic, huh?
Touché. Fine, inheritance isn't perfect. But that's why we have composition now. You build systems from smaller parts, objects collaborating, not obeying.
So now your objects talk to each other behind my back too?
That's called message passing, not gossip. It's communication, the heart of OOP.
You make code sound like politics. Layers, protocols, delegates. I just want to get the job done.
And I want to get it done right. My code grows. Yours collapses under its own shortcuts.
At least mine runs before the deadline.
And then crashes after deployment. Maybe structure isn't the enemy. And maybe simplicity isn't either.
You know, we'd make a decent hybrid.
A balanced architecture. I like the sound of that.
And so, Normal and OOP agreed on the oldest rule in programming. No paradigm wins alone. The best code? It's written by both.